With GHL Growth Tools. In this video, we're going to show you how to upload files in Make or Boost using our Make app or our Boost app to contact or opportunity custom fields. So we're going to start with just a dummy PDF file I got online here. Excuse me. And to get the proper data for this file, you have to get the files. We're using a HTTP get file module. You can read that here. That can be found under here by typing in HTTP and then just using the get file, which downloads a given file from the URL. So from there, we're just using a router just to show you how this one's going to be for the contacts. This one's going to be for an opportunity custom field. Inside of here, you'll select either the contact, object, or opportunity. And then from there, you would map in this ID because you would have some data coming in prior to this to know which contact you were updating. But just for testing purposes, I hard selected one from the drop down here. But usually this will be mapped, and you would map this ID in from a previous step here. So we've got John Smith here, and then once you select that, it's going to give you all the file type custom fields on the account. I just have one as testing right now. So you see this test contact custom file field. And then we're mapping in the output from here, from the file. Now you can leave this on like it is now, and it's just going to do it the way it is. Or if you wanted to name this file based on some other data coming in, you say proposal.pdf. It has to have an extension on it. So sometimes when you're just grabbing files from the internet like that online, it's just going to say file. So you could put the person's name there. Somebody would do like you had your name, their name dash last name coming in or whatever it is. So that when you see it in GHL that you have some reference about it on the field. So for now, we're just going to do that one for that one. And then this one we'll do at the same time for the opportunity. Again, we selected opportunity, which gave us some opportunities to select. Same as contact, you would probably be looking this up and passing this in dynamically. And then from there, you can see we have two file custom fields here. So we're just going to use this one. And then the same thing here, but on this one, we'll do two fields. So if it recognizes two of the same field and you have multiple files, the back end of it will be configured to send multiple files. Again, you can just leave this alone. If it's the same file name, it can't be. So we append the number 1 after it if it recognizes it's the same name, which it would be here. It's just file.pdf. So we'll just go ahead and map this one too and just take out the file name and call this one a worksheet. And then, oops, it wants an extension here, .pdf. And then the one down here we'll just call proposal.pdf. So these will go to the same field. This is how you do two at once. You can also select a different file custom field, one for the worksheet, one for the proposal. I guess we could do that. So we'll just do this one up, number 2. That one will go to the proposal, and this one will go to the test opportunity custom field. Save all that, and we'll run both of these through here. There goes the contact, there goes the opportunity, and then we go into the account. We go to John Smith, I believe it was. We sent one file to this. You can see here it is, proposal.pdf. We click on that. It goes right to the proposal, but you can see now it's hosted in GHL because we uploaded it. And then if we go to the opportunities, and this was on this test one here, Tom Jones. You can see here's the worksheet on this test field, test opportunity custom field, and here's the one we said proposal, which are the same files basically. I'm just showing you as an example. You could have two different ones coming in from two different files here. And then you could also use say you were getting these files from Dropbox or Google Drive. You just use the download file module on Dropbox or Google Drive to download that file, and you can map it directly in to here like we're doing now basically with this. You can either use the map button and physically put the data and file name in, or just leave it on like that, and it would grab it from Dropbox or Google Drive and upload it the same way. This UUID has to be here because each of these has to be unique. We just reprogrammed this module to make these file names a little more pretty on this end because it used to append the actual real long UUID, but we fixed that. So now you have a nice, whatever you name them, that's how they'll show up here. Hope that helps. And this is on our Make and Boost.space app. We have this available, and you'll be able to see here that we dynamically bring in, if you have a limit on here, it's going to show like this one has a limit of 5 files. So if you do have a limit, it'll show it in the drop down here. So then this one we could actually add up to 5 items here in the array and upload 5 files to that same field. Or we could select 5 different file upload fields at once here and upload 5 different files. It could be maybe an insurance card and the driver's license, and one of them could be a contract, and so on and stuff like that. You could do them all at once here. So have any questions, drop us a comment below. Appreciate it. Thanks.